Unveiling the Mystery, Understanding Shady Circumstances. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often pops up in stories, news, and everyday conversation: shady circumstances. Stick around as we unravel the meaning behind this intriguing phrase and how you can use it effectively in your English communications. When we describe something as happening under shady circumstances, we're talking about situations that seem suspicious, dubious, or not fully transparent. The word shady here doesn't relate to physical shade from the sun but is used metaphorically to imply that something is hidden from the light of truth. Circumstances that are hard to see clearly, suggesting that there might be something dishonest or illegal going on. Shady originally describes areas with little sunlight but has evolved in slang to mean something or someone questionable or of dubious character. Circumstances refer to the facts or conditions surrounding a particular event or situation. Combining them, shady circumstances hints at a scenario where the facts or conditions raise eyebrows, making one wonder if everything is as it seems. To better understand how shady circumstances is used, let's look at some examples. 1. The business deal was finalized under shady circumstances, making investors wary of committing their funds. 2. The disappearance of the documents was surrounded by shady circumstances, leading to an internal investigation. In these sentences, the phrase indicates that there's something not quite right or suspicious about the situations, urging caution or further inquiry. Using shady circumstances in your English conversations or writings can add depth to your descriptions of events or situations that seem suspicious. Here are some tips. Use it to express doubt or caution about the legitimacy or integrity of a situation. Combine it with verbs like arise, occur, or happen to describe events, e.g., shady circumstances arose during the election process. It's often used in news reporting, storytelling, or casual conversation to hint at the need for further investigation or skepticism. Understanding and using phrases like shady circumstances can significantly enrich your English vocabulary and help you convey nuanced thoughts about complex situations. We hope this video has shed some light on this shadowy phrase and inspired you to use it in your own English adventures. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.